Hello and welcome to another quick little video tutorial on how to access your G Suite at home, as well as enabling read and write extension. To do that, you need to log into your G Suite and log Chrome into your G Suite. So there's kind of two logins here. So the first thing we're going to do, and I would suggest this, it's not a must, but I would suggest that you go to your settings from the start button. You go to apps and default apps and use Google Chrome. So I've already set it. I'm on a Windows machine, so it normally would have Microsoft Edge as the default, but I'm choosing Google Chrome for this one. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go to Google Chrome. From here, I'm going to click on the waffle icon, and I'm going to choose my account, and I'm going to sign in. And if you're a school district user, it's going to be a little bit different than mine because I'm logging in as a teacher. So I'm just going H for Beak at SD48.bc.ca. Yours would be whatever you log in with at school, followed by at SD48.org. So usually it's your first full name and your first initial. For me, it would be Henry V, and then the last two digits of my student number. So let's say I would be Henry V11 at SD48.org. Then I'm going to hit next. So this logs you into your G Suite. When you're at home, it often will make you do it twice. And then I'm going to hit next. Then I have to enter my password because I'm not at school. You actually have to enter your password. So it's your regular login password at school. Then I'm going to sign in. And then you'll say continue. Now, from here, you need to now log into Chrome. So this is my log to my Google Apps, and here I need to log into Chrome. So I'm going to go in here, and I'm going to say turn on sync. You got to choose link data, and then you'll say yes, I'm in. Now, because of that, if I go to here, you're going to notice all of a sudden I have my read and write purple puzzle piece. So that is how you log in at home to get access to your school district SD48 Google Read and Write and your Google Apps. Thanks for watching.